In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the opening balances in Zoho Books. Since we have already created all the chart of accounts, now we want to put their balances. For that, on the top right corner, we have this settings option. Just click here. And here we will see a lot of functions. But we want to go to this organization section where it says opening balances. Just click here. And once we are in here, we need to enter the migration date. Migration date means on which date do you want to put all the opening balances of these ledgers. Since we are considering that the company is transferring all the accounting system to another accounting system, which is Zoho Books. So we want to implement the system from 1st of January. So 31st December closing balance was received and we want to put in Zoho for 1st of January. So I'll place 1st of January, put 1st of January here. And there we have all the sections on which we can put the balances. So first of all, let's not enter these three balances. We will deal with them later on. We will start working from building at cost. I'll just highlight this. 750,000 is the balance on the debit side. So let's copy this balance. Copy, go to the assets, and here we have all the assets. On building at cost, the left side is the debit side and the right side is the credit side. So we want to put this opening balances on the debit side for fixed asset. Because this is an asset, it is by default debit in nature. Next one we have is accumulated depreciation of buildings. Since this is a contra fixed asset, we will put this balance as a credit balance. Accumulated depreciation of buildings, here it is. Just place it, Control V. Next one we have is motor vehicles. Again, it is a debit balance. Let me just choose and highlight this. So 380,000 for motor vehicles. Motor vehicles. Here it is, motor vehicle. Let's put the balance on the debit side. Accumulated depreciation of motor vehicles, which should be on the credit side. Here it is, paste. It's 45,000. Next one we have is machinery, 290,000. On the debit side, we will copy and paste that balance. Accumulated depreciation of machinery. On the credit side, we will copy and paste this 58,000. Next one is cash. Copy this balance, scroll a little down or little up, cash in hand. Here it is, paste it. Next is Standard Chartered Bank, copy. And Standard Chartered Bank. Okay, we have a bank category separately mentioned. So let's close this asset section. Let's open the bank section, and under the Standard Chartered Bank, I'll paste the balance on the debit side, and same goes for United Bank. I'll just paste it here. Next one is accrued expenses. So accrued expenses is liability. So I open the section. On the credit side, we will just copy and paste the balance right here. And the last one we have is capital invested, which is this amount. So equity section, just open that, and capital invested net owner's equity, I'll just paste this balance here. Let's click on continue. And it says opening balance adjustment is for 518,000. Why is that? Because we haven't entered these three balances. So let's open the calculator. On the debit hand side, we didn't enter 195,000, 453,000. And out of that, credit side, we didn't enter 130,000. So debit minus credit, 130,000. 518,000 is the difference, which is exactly shown here. Click on continue to see whether we are able to enter this or not. Click on continue. It says the total debits and credits differ by 518,000. You can go back and adjust the balance by removing the difference, or you can continue. The difference will be transferred to opening balance adjustment account. Okay, what we will do here is Okay, since we cannot enter the account receivable and payable balance, as you can see, there is no option for it right here. So we will click on continue, and even if it shows this message, I'll just click on continue again. It's showing the summary of all the balances. Just confirm with your project everything is okay, and after that just click on confirm on this little blue button. Click OK. And then to move back to the home screen, I'll just press this icon right here, which is for Zoho Books. It will take you to the home screen. And if we now go to the accountant and chart of accounts, here we are. So here all the ledgers are shown, but not the opening balances. So to check the opening balances, we need to go to the reports section, which is right below the accountant. After taxes comes the reports. Here we can extract all the important reports. So until this point, let's see how the trial balance looks. I'll just search for trial balance. Otherwise, you can just scroll down and go to the accountant section, which is section number 6 here, and extract the trial balance. Otherwise, if you're finding it difficult to locate, just use the search function and you're good to go. So trial balance, we can set the period to today, or let's enter a date range and click on custom here. So if you just want to see the opening position, just select the date range from here, and here we will select 1st of January on both sides, from 1st of January till 1st of January. Click done and click run report. It will then refresh and show you this date from 1st of January till 1st of January. This is the opening position. So all the assets are shown, account codes with debit and credit balances, all perfect. And the difference was 518,000, which is categorized as a liability in opening balances adjustment. So this is how you enter most of the balances in Zoho Books. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.